In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving Poisson's probability distribution with the CASIO CD50 graphic calculator. Now that I'm going to do this video, I guarantee you that you will be able to solve problems involving Poisson's probability distribution with the CASIO CD50 graphic scientific calculator in seconds, especially from multiple choice questions. So I'm sure you stay with me to the very end of this video, guys, because we're going to learn a lot. So I'm going to simplify everything. Okay, so having done that, let's look at the question we have here before we get the calculator. Okay. The question says, a doctor was required to examine the quantity of white blood cells using a fixed volume of blood sample. It is known that some fixed volume contain 4 white blood cells. What is the probability that a specimen from an individual will contain no white blood cell, 1 white blood cell, 2 white blood cells, at least 3 white blood cells, at most 3 white blood cells, and 1 or 2 white blood cells? Okay, so guys, very simple. I'm going to show you now. So let's begin with getting the CASIO calculator. Okay, so this is the CASIO calculator. Now the very first you have to do with the calculator. In the sense of we say the calculator is to wipe out whatever previous value you might have stored on the calculator. Very important, guys. So we say the calculator particularly, all you have to do is to go to system. So you navigate to system using this navigation button. Okay, so this is system. When you get here, you press execute. Execute for this calculator stand for equal to. Okay, so when you get here, press F5 for reset, then press F6 next page. Then when you get press F2 to initialize for, then F1 and it's beginning to initialize for as indicated here. Okay, so we're going to solve these problems. Poisson distribution, very simple. I'm going to show you. Okay, so it's done. Press it. Alright, now next we're going to do is to put the calculator in distribution mode. Very important, that's the mode we're going to work with. To put it in distribution mode, navigate to distribution using this navigation button. So this is distribution, press execute. When you get here, you see Poisson option 3. So you go to Poisson. When you get the press execute. Okay. Now, this place is critical, guys. When you misplace any value here, I'm going to get the entire solution for solving one. So pay attention. Now, for this question, our x value will be this respective parameter we have to find. When there is no white blood cell, when there is 1 white blood cell, when there is 2 white blood cells, when there is at least 3 white blood cells, and the rest of them. Whereas our lambda will be these 4 white blood cell here in the question. This fixed volume contains 4 white blood cells, so that will be our lambda, the fixed volume that contains 4 white blood cells. Okay, having done this, let's go ahead and begin to solve the problem. So let's begin with the x value. So let's begin with the I of it. So we ask to what's the probability that a specimen from an individual contains no white blood cell. So here our x will be 1, 0. Execute. Our lambda is 4, is fixed. Okay, so now once you have done this, one more thing very important, guys, don't solve it when x is less than or equal to. Alright, you're going to solve when x is an equality value. Okay, so to put an equality sign for x here, we're going to press F4 for it. So as you can see, we have an equality sign here now. So let's go ahead now and get the probability that a specimen from an individual will contain no white blood cell. So let's press execute for answer. Okay, so this is the probability that a specimen from an individual will contain no white blood cells. Now to get the probability that a specimen from an individual will contain 1 white blood cells, which is I of it, all you have to do is to go to exit. Okay, so remove this 0 and put 1. Press execute. It's as simple as that, guys. So what we have it to be 0.0732. To get the probability that a specimen from an individual will contain 2 white blood cells, so you go back to exit, remove this 1 and put 2. That, guys, very simple. Press execute again. So this will be the probability that a specimen from an individual will contain 2 white blood cells. So you have it to be 0.1465. Okay, now to get the probability that a specimen from an individual contain at least 3 white blood cells, let's go back. Let me show you what we're going to do. Now this time I want, so let's change the x value to be 3. The lambda is fixed, alright? So now once I've done this, praise the quiz. Now you will go to under this L, okay? You're not going to solve when x is an equality sign. Okay, you're going to solve for at least when x is greater than or equal to sign. Alright, so to do that, you press F3 for it. Now this equality sign change to greater than or equal to. That's what press execute. And this will be the result. We have it to be 0.7618. Now, the probability that a specimen from an individual will contain at most 3 white blood cells. What you have to do is to go, let's press exit. This time around, the 3 is the same. So what you have to do now will be to change this sign to less than or equal to. But at most, you work with less than or equal to, or at least you work with greater than or equal to. So since you want to get for at most, change it to less than or equal to, press F1 for it. That's what press execute. So what's the answer? We have it to be 0.4334. It's as simple as that, guys. Now, to get the value or the result for the last portion of it, we have to find what is the probability that a specimen from an individual contain 1 or 2 white blood cells. Now, very simple, guys. This is simple mathematics. Let me show you. Now, in probability, when we talk about OR, the word OR signifies addition. So what you have to do now is to add the probability that a specimen from an individual contain 1 white blood cell with that of 2 white blood cells. It's as simple as that, guys. So let's go back and do that of 1 white blood cell and 2 white blood cells again. So remember, I'm going to work with the equality sign for it. So press F4 for it. So go ahead and put 1 to get the results. So press execute again. So we have it to be 0.0732. Now let's go back and do for that of 2 white blood cells. Press exit. Okay. Go here and put 2. Press execute again. So we have it to be what? 0.1465. Okay. Right now, let's add the 2 values. So let's press exit. Go to menu, right? Go to one matrix, press recruit. Okay, so let's add the 2 values. The first one we got to be 0.0732. Okay, 0.0732. I wrote down the values. Okay, plus that is over to be 0.1465. Okay, so that's it. Let's press execute now. So this will be the probability that a specimen from an individual contain 1 or 2 white blood cells. So it's as simple as that, guys. So this is basically how you can solve problems involving Poisson's probability distribution with the CASIO POISSON graphing scientific calculator in seconds. So multiple choice quiz. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. If you are new to the channel, ensure you subscribe button now to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Like, share, and comment on this video. Now, if you want to learn, please to have any questions to ask. Pick the question in the comment section below and I will try to give a response. That's for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit the calculator. Once you're done, all you have to do is to go to menu, then navigate to system. Okay, using this navigation button. Okay, so this is system. Press execute. Press F5 reset, F6, F2 initialize for, F1, and it will begin to initialize for as indicated here. That's it for this class, guys. Thanks for watching once more. See you in my subsequent video. Press exit. Okay, yeah. Thanks for watching.